Nothing whispering. Breathe, nothing. Can you focus on me?
Hi dream beaters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Trinity. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. If you're not new, thank you for supporting me and loving me throughout all my trials and tribulations and everything that I've been through to get here. So yeah, I just want to thank each and every one of y'all. Today we're going to be doing a full face tutorial. We're about to beat this face. We are about to beat this face. Yes, that's better. We're about to beat this face. Like, I think we're going to jail tonight because I'm going to beat the fuck out my face. Like, we going to jail because we about to commit a crime. We about to commit a crime, honey. So yeah, I'm not going to ramble on anymore. We're going to get into this video and beat this face. Alright, sorry. I had to take my wig off because my head started hurting. So I see you made it through my video. Well, here's my look. I hope you girls love it. I've been standing up on my feet for a couple of hours now, you know. This look wasn't easy for me. It's more out of my comfort zone. So I hope you like it. I kind of like it because it's different, you know, because every time I do makeup, it's like the same shit every time. Same thing. And I'm trying to practice on my blending more on my eyeshadow. So that I did pretty good on that this time. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know what to do. Like, help your girl out. Share this video. Do whatever it takes to get me up there. Like, I deserve to be at the top. Like, I'm working hard. I think about YouTube every day. I think about my supporters every day. Like, I love y'all. Y'all know who you are. My real supporters. All my family. Y'all my babies. My dream beaters. Hey, dream beaters. One more time. Dream beaters. Dream beaters. Hey, 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 hey. I'm crazy as fuck. That's what you do when you ain't got no friends. But let me get out of here because I done recorded so many videos and I am tired. It's like, hey, it's 12:30 in the damn. It's time for me to go. I love y'all. Bye.